Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Papiya Vlogs. Well, before starting today's project, I have an expression of thought that being a creative person, because friends, basically I'm a creative person first and then a YouTuber. So being a creative person, I have a creative instincts that before using any particular item further or before throwing any item after using it, I just think of ways and means how I can transform or modify that particular simple item into a beautiful mind-blowing product which not only should be aesthetically beautiful but should be useful as well. So today's project exactly personifies this thought process of mine, where you would see how I transform a vegetable leaf, that is a mustard leaf which we use for cooking and eating, into a beautiful bowl. Bowl? Yes, interesting, right? Yes, exactly friends, into a bowl which not only can be used for gifting purpose, for home decor, but for your day-to-day usage as well. How? Once you watch the video, you would come to know. So my only request to you is, please do watch the entire tutorial, and if you like it, then only give it a big like. Share it with your friends and family, and one important thing that really inspires and motivates is your subscription, your support. So below this video there is a red color subscribe button. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel Papiya Vlogs for free, and do not forget to press the bell button so that you get regular notifications of my new upcoming videos, where I would be posting new videos on beautiful handicrafts, best out of waste, DIYs, lifestyle related, as well as product reviews. So let's get started with the tutorial. Friends, in today's project, I'm gonna transform this mustard leaf into this beautiful bowl. How I did it, I will show you in this tutorial today. I have chosen this big sized mustard leaf for this project because of its numerous veins, which will give a natural leaf-like look to the bowl. So, depending on the shape and size of bowl you require, accordingly you can pick and choose the leaf. You can choose this kind of a leaf as shown in the video, or this, or even this. While choosing a leaf, you should be concerned about three important things. Number one, when the leaf is fresh, its texture should be tough. Number two, the leaf should have lot of veins. Number three, the leaf should be little bit softened or dried before use. So to make this bowl, let's get started with the process. First of all, the items we require is molded clay. This is readily available in a stationery market for around 20 to 25 rupees. We require 2 packets of the same. Just cut it off and you will get 2 packets inside it. For each out of 2 packets, one is of clay, another is of resin. So clay is of brown color like this, and resin is of white color like this. So we would be mixing the clay and resin together. How we do that, just keep on looking onto the video. The first step is, while initially mixing the resin and clay, never use water, just use talcum powder. So I have poured little bit of talcum powder in my palms as well, and then I will pick up the clay and resin and start mixing up like this as shown in the video till I get a white consistency, which I will show you once I mix it. So this is how the clay will look after mixing with the resin. Talcum powder is spread across so that the clay doesn't stick around in your palm. So now what you need to do is take the dough with a rolling pin, make it like a chapati kind of a shape, and take the bowl of the shape you want to achieve to make this project. Then tilt the bowl over the clay chapati, and with the help of a knife, cut off the edges. Now remove the extra edges of the clay very carefully as shown in the video, as the clay is still very soft. Now we take the bowl and place the leaf over it very carefully, as we need to achieve the size of the bowl. We need to place the leaf as shown in the video, and then sprinkle the talcum powder over the leaf, and then take the flattened clay and spread across the leaf as shown in the video to achieve a bowl-like clay structure. You need to keep on pressing the clay softly with your fingers so that you can achieve a natural leaf kind of a texture with its veins imprinted onto the clay. Now cut off the extra edges of the clay with the help of a cutter in the shape of a bowl and remove it carefully. Now apply a little bit of water in your fingertips and very gently smoothen the edges of the bowl to achieve the bowl kind of a structure as shown in the video. Similarly, after the edges, apply little bit of water in your fingertips and gently smoothen the deeper middle section of the bowl so that you can get the veins of the leaf also encrypted onto the bowl, after which let it dry for 2 to 3 days at room temperature. After drying, the bowl looks like this, which I have painted with a white acrylic color as a base coat and let it dry for 2 days. Now comes the very important part, that is the coloring part of the bowl, for which I took the golden acrylic color, the olive green acrylic color, the dark green acrylic color and white acrylic color so that I can mix them and get the color of a natural leaf looking, which I will be showing how exactly I am coloring. It is very important step, so friends keep watching. This is something which you need to be very careful because the end look of the bowl will depend on your color. So now after mixing the olive green with golden, I get a lightish green kind of a leafy color, which I would be applying bit by bit with the help of a brush. You need to apply very little water because the extra water will make the mixture very liquidy and it would start flowing. Now I take little bit of olive with dark green and mix it together to get a dark green kind of a leafy color. I have taken the reference of a cabbage leaf to achieve this color. You can also do the same. Friends, in a natural leaf, you must have noticed that the inner part of the leaf or the veins are generally lighter in color than the outer surface of the leaf. So to achieve that natural look of a leaf, what I have done is taken a white acrylic color and started applying it into the veins of the bowl, as you can see, and then I will blend it very smoothly with olive green and golden acrylic color mixed together. After mixing the golden acrylic color with olive green acrylic color, blend well with the white acrylic color in the veins and let it dry at least for 2 days. After drying, the outer part of the bowl looks like this. However, it is still not complete because we need to color the inner part of the bowl as well. So to color the inner side of the bowl, I have mixed the olive green, golden and white acrylic color with a tinge of dark green acrylic color and painted it inside the bowl and let it dry for at least 2 days. The final outcome looks like this as shown in the video. The outer side of the bowl would be little bit lighter than the inner side of the bowl. After the coloring part, the finishing touch is equally important because for any handmade item to look aesthetically good, the finishing touch has to be given very neatly and done perfectly. So to achieve that, we take golden acrylic color and apply it to the edges of the bowl as shown in the video. So I have taken a 0 size brush and have not applied any water and directly applying the golden acrylic color onto the edges of the bowl, very carefully ensuring that it doesn't smudges out, and then let it dry at least for a day. And this is how it looks after drying. This is the front and the back side of the bowl. In the end, apply 2 coats of varnish for shine and protection of the surface of the bowl, and look at it. This beautiful leaf looking like bowl is ready for gifting purpose, for home decor as well as for your personal use. And friends, if you want to have this bowl from me, all you need to do is just write me an email at the email ID provided at the description box below as well as flashing onto the screen. I would be glad to send it across at your doorstep. Friends, with lots of hard work and efforts, I make such beautiful handicrafts items. So I would request you to support and encourage my efforts by subscribing to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button with the bell button on so that you get regular notifications of all my video, and do not forget to give it a like and share. Thank you for watching, friends.